Hello students, in this video we are going to learn how to find the terms, variables and coefficients in an algebraic expression. We have 4 examples here. In the first example, we have 10x minus x square as an algebraic expression. So the term in an expression is a single number, a single variable or number and variables multiplied together in an expression or equation. Terms are separated by plus or minus signs. So here we have 10x minus x square. So here 10x is one term and x square is the other term. So in the first expression, 10x minus x square, terms will be 10x and x square. These are the two terms in the expression. Next is variables. So a variable is a letter or a symbol that represents an unknown quantity and can change in value. So the variable in the first expression is x. So x is the variable. Next is the coefficient. A coefficient is a numerical value multiplied by a variable. It is the number written directly in front of the variable. For example, the coefficient of, in this expression 10x minus x square, the coefficient of x is 10. Coefficient of x is 10 and coefficient of x square is, as there is no variable in front of x square, there is always 1. So 1 is the coefficient of x square. And the last one is constant. Constant is the value or the number which is there whose value is constant. Next one is constant. A constant is a number on its own that has a fixed value. It does not change. In this expression, there are no constants because constant is not attached to any of the variables. Its value is fixed. Constant is number. Its value is fixed. So there is no constant here in the first expression. Let us now find the terms, variable, coefficients and constant in the second expression, which is 4x plus 5y plus 3. So here the terms are usually separated by plus or minus sign. So here the terms are 4x, 5y and 3. Let us now write the variables. Variables are the letters or symbols whose value can change. Here the variables are x and y. Now we'll write the coefficients. So coefficient of x is 4. Coefficient of y variable is 5. And the last one is constant. And here constant is a number whose value is fixed. Constant, here the constant is number 3. So these are the terms, variable, coefficients and constant in the second expression. Now let's do the third expression. Third expression is 200L plus 600W plus 50LW. Let us now write the terms. So the terms here are, we know that the terms are usually separated by plus or minus signs. So the terms here are 200L, 600W and 50LW. The variables are L, W and LW are the variables here, and coefficients of L is 200. Coefficient of W is 600 and coefficient of LW is 50. And there are no constant here. Let us now write the terms, variable and coefficient in the fourth expression, which is x square plus 4xy plus 16. So first we'll write the terms which are separated by plus or minus sign. So terms are x square, 4xy and 16. Variables are the letters or symbols whose value can change, which are x square and xy are the variables. Next one is coefficient. So coefficient of x square is 1 as there is no number in front of x square, and coefficient of xy is 4 and constant is number 16. So this is how we find the terms, variables and coefficients in an expression. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more math videos. Thanks for watching.